Okay, so I just stumbled upon this fascinating concept called the letter 1D592 letter 1D586 letter 1D58B's keyer, which is like a super ergonomic corded keyboard.
Weight chorded keyboard. So, is it like typing using combinations of keys instead of individual ones?
Exactly, it minimizes finger movement, almost like typing with all your fingers on the home row all the time.
Wow, that sounds efficient. But how does it handle more complex inputs?
Well, it can express up to 215 chords with just 10 keys. Plus, it has rolling chords, which makes transitions smoother.
Rolling chords. That sounds intriguing. How does that work in practice?
When you press two chords that share some finger positions, you only need to move the changing finger. It's like a dance.
I love that analogy. But isn't there a learning curve to master all those chords?
Definitely, but the idea is that once you get the hang of it, you can touch type even if you lose a finger.
That's a bold claim. I wonder if there are drawbacks to this method. Like, is it truly ergonomic?
That's a good point. The design allows for a custom fit, so it's molded to your hand, which should help with comfort.
Interesting. But do you think everyone will find it comfortable? What about different hand shapes?
That's where the DIY aspect comes in. You literally shape it with modeling clay to fit your hand perfectly.
Wait, so you can just bake it in the oven after shaping. That's a DIY project I can get behind.
Exactly, and it's cheap too, under $50 to build your own, which is way less than commercial options.
Speaking of which, what are some commercial products out there? Are they any good?
There's the Twiddler and Typeware, but they can be pricey, like $200+. The KEYER offers a customizable alternative.
Right, but are they really worth the price difference? I mean, what do they offer that the keyer doesn't?
Good question, some have built-in touchpads or extra features, but they lack the DIY personal touch.
True, customization seems key here. But how about the tech behind it? What makes it responsive?
It uses hardware interrupts, making it more responsive than traditional polling-based keyboards. Pretty cool.
That's impressive. But what about battery life? How often do you need to charge it?
It can last for months thanks to a huge battery and efficient firmware. You charge it as often as a Casio watch.
That's awesome. I hate constantly charging devices. What about using it with other tech?
You can combine it with smart glasses to control your computer without even touching it. That's next level.
Wait so I can type while sipping tea. Now that sounds too good to be true.
Right? It's like multitasking made easy, but it does require a bit of setup.
What's the setup like? Is it complicated for non-techies?
Not really. The firmware is straightforward to flash and the materials are easy to source.
I like how accessible this seems. But what if someone hits a roadblock during assembly?
The community is really supportive, plus there are plenty of online resources and guides to help.
That's reassuring. But I wonder how intuitive it is for someone who's never used a corded keyboard.
True, there might be a learning curve, but the payoff could be worth it in terms of typing efficiency.
We should definitely consider that when recommending it to others. Balance is key.
Absolutely, it's a mix of practicality and personalization. I'm excited to see how it evolves.
Same here. It seems like it opens up so many possibilities for ergonomic design.
Right? Imagine customizing it for different tasks like programming or gaming.
That could change the game entirely. I just hope it doesn't become overly complex.
Complexity can be an issue, but the beauty is in its adaptability. There are always trade-offs.
Well, for a DIY project, it's already packed with features. I can't wait to see more innovations.
Me too, it feels like we're just scratching the surface of what's possible with these keyers.
Definitely. With all this potential, what do you think the next step will be for these designs?
Maybe integrating AI to optimize layouts in real time based on user preferences. That would be epic.
Now that's a thought. AI learning from usage patterns could redefine user experience.
Imagine a keyer that adapts to your typing style over time. That's the future.
For sure. And the best part is, it empowers individuals to build something uniquely theirs.
Absolutely, it's not just about typing, it's about creating a personal connection with our tools.
That's a powerful takeaway. It reminds us that technology can be tailored to fit us, not the other way around.
Exactly, so what do you think? Are you tempted to try making one yourself?
Honestly, I'm really considering it. It sounds like a fun challenge.